Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is about how the UK banks have been banning buying crypto on Binance.
Okay, welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. We'll be going through that today. Obviously, this is not financial advice. We'll be going through some information that has been happening recently and why cryptocurrency and exchanges may be at risk.
But before we get into that video, please may I say that only 5.6% of you that watch our videos are actually subscribed. So if you could please press this red subscribe button, it would really help us out. Thank you. Let's get straight into the video. So you may have seen in the recent news that UK banks have been blocking payments to Binance, but this is Binance only, and this is after an FCA issued a warning on Binance, which actually had nothing to do with the Binance exchange itself. It was something that wasn't even released in the UK yet, but we'll get into that. Um, Currently, it's only been Santander, HSBC, Barclays, nationwide, but I know Halifax is still fine. However, this is only for Binance. It's not for Qcoin, Coinbase. This is not crypto is banned in the UK or whatever, like some people are making it out to be. It is very far away from that. This is not like the new China or anything like that that's going on at all, because banks are actually buying up Bitcoin, yet they're not allowing us to buy Bitcoin using their bank account. So it's almost like, I'm not saying this is happening, but it's almost like they're trying to buy it so you can't. They're trying to get you to not buy it so they can have it all, basically. That's just a small fun theory there.
So, as we can see here, Louis is correct, and a lot of banks are not trying to let you buy this cryptocurrency, as it is kind of a theory that people are, bringing around. However, in my opinion, I really do think that these are the times when you should start accumulating, because when everything's getting banned or supposedly banned and everything's starting to become bad, that's when you should be buying, especially when we are originally in the bull cycle. Because what tends to happen is every 4 years there is a Bitcoin does half in supply, and right now I think there's around 2.5 million blocks of Bitcoin that needs to be mined, and it was only last year since Bitcoin basically supply was halved. So therefore, meaning that we still have a lot of time till the blocks are all mined until we have to cut the supply half in again. Therefore, Bitcoin is an exponentially growing asset, and the only way it is up. Okay, that's the only way that Bitcoin algorithm works. The only way it can go is up. It's like gold. Gold is a finite supply. There's only a limited amount of them in the world. Let's say you cut the supply in half. What do you expect to happen? Gold supply, starts to go down. The demand will go higher because there's less of it in the world. Think of platinum. Think of diamonds. There's not many of them in the world. Why are they so expensive? Okay, the reason they're so expensive is that there's not many of them. It is a finite metal. And the same thing as digital assets such as Bitcoin. There's not many of Bitcoins. And soon there won't be many Ethereums once it becomes a finite asset, because there's still a lot of Ethereums in circulation. But with Bitcoin, there's not enough in circulation. There's almost 2.5 million Bitcoins left in circulation, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, there's not going to be enough left. Therefore, meaning the banks need to get involved. They need to start getting into Bitcoin. They need to start diversifying their wealth, because Bitcoin is the best asset, best investment that there is in the world right now, and it's so unique. That's the thing. It can't be stopped. If you think it can be stopped, you're only stopping yourself from buying it. That's the problem. Banks can try and persuade you not to buy it, when in reality they're buying it. They just want to get richer, and they just want to leave us down. But that's how it basically works. But
So to answer a few questions that you may be having, you may be worried about your money that's currently in Binance. You're thinking, oh, do I withdraw using the current city fees that they're having with withdrawing to a debit card or whatever? No, what you should be doing is you should be withdrawing your crypto, not your GBP, to a bank account on Binance. You should be. This is not financial advice, but this is what we've personally been doing because we're with Binance ourselves. But I'm no longer holding any funds in Binance. I've switched everything to Qcoin and Coinbase and Gate.io. Um, so you should withdraw the crypto itself to, for example, Qcoin, and then if you do still want to withdraw it to your bank for some reason and not hold your crypto, then withdraw it there so you're not paying the city credit card, debit card fees that are currently on Binance. And the same thing if you're trying to buy crypto and you don't know which exchange to use, you're new to crypto and you're thinking, oh, it's banned now. No, just simply, it's just Binance. Just don't use Binance. There's Coinbase, there's Qcoin, there's Gate.io, there's decentralized exchanges such as pancakeswap. There's so many exchanges. The beautiful thing about crypto, there's so many places you can buy your crypto. You can even go local bitcoins if you're just trying to buy it off a vendor through escrow. There's so many ways you can buy Bitcoin. This is not stopping anything. As you can see, it's not even really taking effect in the market at all. So this is just when other people are fearful, then you should be buying. And we're in one of those situations right now. Once again, not financial advice. So this is now the end of the video. I hope it has helped you. Some questions you may have had in your mind or worries. But yeah, so please leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.